so I haven't made a YouTube video in absolutely ages, and I know the last live trading video done absolute numbers, so I'm back with another live trading video. So today we're just looking at GBP USD and gold. These are just my two pairs, and I've actually got a setup marked up. It's also a 15-minute confluence. It's a 15-minute zone. We have a breaker structure, and it's also a 5-minute zone. So I scaled down to the 5-minute. I'm just waiting for an entry at the moment, and then we're going to take this trade. But yeah, I'm definitely going to start being more consistent on YouTube, because I feel like I need to get my content out there. I need to start teaching people, because now I'm completely confident with how I trade. I'm completely confident with my strategy. I don't want to waffle on too much, but there's definitely a lot of information that I think I can share to people. So I'm definitely going to be posting more. But yeah, we're just waiting to see if we can get an entry from this trade. I enter breakup candle, if you know my strategy. I've literally still got my pajamas on. Like, that's the beauty of trading. Like, you can just wake up, throw your pajamas on, and just start trading. Like, it's literally the beauty of it. I might just fast forward to whenever I do enter the trade. Okay, so I just got in on gold, and I have 3 positions of 0.5 lots, targeting about a 1 to 2, maybe a bit longer. I did actually get in late because I was a little bit distracted, but we're in, so hopefully this trade does run and we can see a little bit of profit from this trade. I feel like because it's just have high time frame confluence, we could just see a nice push down. Like, it's not going to take too long to get there, but we also don't know at the same time. I have my stop loss set as well. If I got in break of the candle, it would have been quite a tight stop loss, but my risk would have been a lot less than it is at the moment, because I missed it by quite a few pips, to be honest. I think about like 5 pips. I'm missing my stop loss. Maybe a little bit more. But actually, yeah, definitely more, to be honest. Okay, so we are in a little bit of drawdown. We're down £58 at the moment. Hopefully this doesn't just run to stop loss, because that would not be good. I am feeling quite confident about this trade though. Definitely more live trading videos coming out soon as well. I do need to make some more, because the last ones, they just done absolutely amazing. And I'm also going to start posting them on Instagram as well. So live trading videos coming to Instagram. So make sure to look out for that. Hopefully we can start to see a push. Okay, we're coming back down. Trades like this, yeah. Obviously, some trades, it can take you absolute hours to hit take profit or stop loss for me. Maybe not stop loss, but take profit. Especially if you've got a high risk reward, it can take you hours to hit stop loss. Even if you're on a 5-minute chart, some trades you can hit it within like 1-2 candles. You see like how we have this move and it pushed up, right? We could take hours to get to that again, if you know what I mean. Like, to get back down to these levels, it could take a really long time. We're up a little £40 at the moment. Nothing too much. Okay, we're running some nice profit now. We're up about £60. We would be up a lot more, but we did miss our entry. So maybe we might need to hold it for a little bit longer than we would have. But potentially that does mean more profit if it does go in our direction, because our stop loss is bigger, so now our profit, our take profit is also bigger in pip wise, that is. So up £100, it's like it's starting to run now. £94. I know a lot of traders move their stop loss to break even at 1-to-1. I was doing it for a little, actually for majority of my trading, I was moving my stop loss to break even. But then recently I got some data and I stopped moving my stop loss to break even. But that was because I was going for higher risk rewards. I think now that I'm going to be sticking to more 1-to-2s, and potentially pushing to 1-to-3s sometimes, or 1-to-4s sometimes. I might go back to moving my stop loss to break even after 1-to-1. But all strategies are profitable. If you know about trading, every single strategy is profitable. It's more about the trader and how you execute. It's more about how you do it personally. Are you going to miss trades? Are you going to jump out early? Are you going to hold losers for too long because you think that they're going to turn into winners? Are you going to cut your wins too early because you feel like you're not going to make any more profit? Are you going to hold your wins too long because you're trying to be greedy? It's about sticking to your strategy, being disciplined, sticking to your rules. So there's definitely a lot that goes into becoming a profitable trader. There's really a lot of sitting around. There's nothing I can really say because I'm kind of just waiting to see what's going to happen. We're running down a lot. £200 in profit now. We're running down a lot. I think we'll try leave about 300. We might look for another £100 and then we'll get out, because £300 in a day is wonderful. It's a beautiful profit. Especially we've been in the trade for probably like 5 minutes now. So hopefully if we can get another 100 in the next 15-20 minutes, £300 in 20 minutes. Okay, we're pushing down now. £300 in 20 minutes is really, really nice. Okay, 240 now. 250, about £50 away. We're pushing down very nicely. And we've also just filled a fair value gap as well. So 260, getting very, very close. This is nice. If we can get this in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes in the trade, absolutely beautiful. £300 in 10 minutes, absolutely beautiful. If it reverses from here, I'm going to cry, because that has happened to me. We've been like £20-30 off take profit, and then we've absolutely just reversed back to stop loss. I will actually cry. Okay, we've come down a little bit. Okay. 220 now. We're very, very close, about £30 away now. This should hit take profit quite soon. About 280. We have hit a 1-2. We're about like a 1-to-3, well 1-to-2 on actually TradingView, like actual TradingView. If my entry was perfect, because I have a late entry, I'm gonna have to hold it for a little bit longer. But I would be out by now. That's why I'm a bit skeptical about holding it for too long. I don't want to hold it for too long, because if I did get my actual entry point, I would be out by now. So Okay, we're reaching £300. I'm literally gonna close in a minute. Let's see what the market wants to do. Can I get to like 305? I'm gonna close. Let's see if it still wants to push down a little bit more. 330, 330, 340. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good on this. Absolutely good on this. £350, I think that was. £340. But yeah, if you want to see more live trading videos, make sure to follow.